In a remote region of southern China, the Rice-Terraced mountains of Longsheng are famous for their vibrant, winding landscape in just about every shade of green and gold. I really wanted to experience the breathtaking terraces and mountain views that I heard so much about, so not too long ago, I packed up my bags, got on a plane, and traveled to an ancient village there. The landscape was absolutely stunning, but as I walked around and wandered through the village, I quickly discovered that the true natural beauty of Longsheng belonged to the local women. The Red Yao tribe has lived in the mountains of Longsheng for nearly 2,000 years, and because of the isolated region, they've developed a unique culture that is completely away from modern technology and traditions. The women work alongside men in the rice fields. They handcraft intricate clothing, some of which can take nearly a year to make. And like many traditional cultures, the women take on domestic chores as well. I was completely captivated by their natural beauty. All the women, even those in their 70s and 80s, had long, thick, healthy, jet black hair without the slightest hint of gray. While I was there, they were kind enough to welcome me into their village and share their secret to their beautiful hair. By using the nutrient-rich Longsheng rice and a special ritual that had been passed down mother to daughter for centuries, they had discovered a completely natural way to achieve beautiful hair without it ever aging. I was amazed to find out how simple and natural their secret was. Here was this village so removed from the modern world that, to get there, I had to travel the last few miles by foot. And they had developed a completely natural way to achieve long, strong, healthy hair without it ever turning gray. And it isn't as though hair care is just a small part of social customs. It's the heart of the Red Yao culture. I was so inspired by these women that I wanted to share their story with the world, and so Viore was born. Our mission is to share and preserve the traditions of the Red Yao women, who today are fewer than 300 in number. We create hair care and beauty products made exclusively from the rice in the Longsheng mountains. We work directly with the Red Yao villagers to make sure our products are sourced responsibly and of highest quality. Viore products are made with 100% natural or naturally derived ingredients. They are sulfate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, fully sustainable, and purely vegetarian. We also make every effort to avoid using plastics in our packaging and products. Meeting the Red Yao women inspired in us a desire to make an impact on the world. We decided that each month, together with you, we'll reach out and find a cause that you're passionate about supporting. We call this our Beautiful Reason Initiative, a reason to feel good and to feel beautiful as you buy and use our products. We truly believe Viore is the difference you've been waiting for in the beauty industry. Viore, your beautiful reason.